Hi, I'm Paul, and this is a Power BI moment. Today, we're talking about self-service reporting. Now, self-service is a request that we get from customers all the time. We want our users to be able to do their own reporting. What exactly does that mean? It really could mean a few different things. It could mean that we create curated data sets, certified data sets, with all of the calculations and the data structures predefined, and users drag and drop to create their own self-service reporting. They can visualize data however they want, they can filter it, slice it, choose the fields, and then choose how they want to visualize and analyze that data. It also could mean that users do self-service analysis, which is a little bit deeper, and users could write their own calculations and maybe do some of their own modeling. And then we have self-service modeling and development, all possible with Power BI. The latter meaning that users connect to their own data sources, import it, massage it, transform it, model it, create their own calculations, and then visualize and analyze that data. Could be riskier business. Users need to know what they're doing. In order to enable any of these options, we need to create and cultivate a data culture within our business, meaning that users need to understand how to consume and analyze their own data. And that's a journey rather than a destination, and it can take time. Business leaders need to sponsor and champion, and users need support along the way. We also need a culture of data governance, which means that the business needs to define policies around how data is managed and the process for moving from self-service into curated, certified, and trusted data sets. And users need training and support. Self-service reporting utilizes certified data sets that have been created for users. They've been vetted, tested, curated, the calculations are already written, all of the rules are governed, everybody uses a single version of the truth. Users can use PowerBI.com. In their web browser, they need no software to be able to visualize and analyze data, and they can use Analyze in Excel, meaning that they connect to certified data sets, data models published in Power BI, and they use familiar tools within Excel to create pivot tables, cube functions, use filters, slicers, slice and dice the data in Excel, just like they already know how to do, but they're using a single version of the truth rather than data silos. Self-service analysis requires Power BI Desktop, and it means that users can import data and then they can create their own calculations and go a little bit deeper. They can import, shape, and model their own data, and then they can publish those data sets and reports to a semi-trusted location. Semi-trusted data sets are consumed with the understanding that they were created by the business and have yet to go through a full data governance process. With self-service modeling and development, developers and trained users can develop governed data models that are published to workspaces where they've been tested and vetted and then published as a certified or trusted data set. We can then publish reports and dashboards to a trusted app where they can then be consumed by other users. This has been a Power BI moment. Thanks for watching.